If your bank account hits zero before your next payday, you are not alone. 60% of Americans are in the same position. But here is the thing most people miss. It is almost never an income problem. It is a system problem. Here is the exit. Lifestyle automatically expands to fill whatever income you have. No system means money disappears without any obvious reason. This is a cash flow timing problem, not a personal failure. Print or pull up last month's full bank statement. Circle every charge that was not essential. Most people find between $200 and $400 in spending they had forgotten. Goal: always have one full week of expenses sitting in savings. Once built, live on last week's money instead of this week's paycheck. This single step breaks the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle permanently. Housing or a car payment is almost always the culprit. The 28% rule: housing should be under 28% of gross income. Fixing this one number changes everything downstream. Every payday, move $50 to $100 to a separate savings account automatically. Label that account next month's bills so you leave it alone. Build up to a full month, then the cycle is broken for good. Use the free budget tracker in the description to find your leaks in the next 30 minutes. That one step alone will show you exactly where the money is going. Link below. New videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.